Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, which means one missed payment can do more damage than most people realize. Fixing that one area first usually moves the needle faster than anything else. By the end of this, you'll know 7 practical ways people use to push their score up fast, and which ones actually matter. First, pay every bill on time starting now. That sounds obvious, but it's the highest impact move. Credit card bills, loans, even buy now pay later accounts report to bureaus. Set up auto-pay for at least the minimum, so you stop new damage immediately. Second, lower your credit utilization. That's how much of your credit limit you're using. If your card has a $1,000 limit and you're carrying $800, that's 80% utilization. That's high. Try getting it below 30%, and under 10% is even better. The fastest way is either paying down balances or making multiple payments each month. Third, ask for a credit limit increase. This works because it lowers your utilization without requiring you to pay off everything first. If you have a $2,000 limit and spend $500 a month, raising that limit to $4,000 cuts your usage ratio in half. Just ask your bank or card app directly. Now the next section matters if your file is thin. Fourth, use a secured credit card. These usually require a deposit, often starting around $200. That deposit becomes your limit. Use it for one small recurring bill like Netflix or your phone plan, then pay it in full. Fifth, become an authorized user. If someone with a long, clean credit history adds you to their card, that history can show up on your report. This can shorten the time it takes to build age and positive payment history. Sixth, use credit builder apps today. Apps like Self, Kickoff, and Experian Boost are built for this. Self reports installment payments. Kickoff reports a small line of credit. Experian Boost can count eligible utility and streaming payments. Last one, dispute errors. Pull your credit report and check for wrong late payments, duplicate accounts, or balances that look off. Fixing one reporting error can move your score faster than months of waiting. Quick recap. Pay on time, cut utilization, and add positive history. Those are the 3 fastest levers. Your next step is simple. Check your utilization today and make one extra payment this week. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point money guides.